Right, the next one. There it's gone. That's where the jackaroo is. We'll start the next one. I'll go along the damn wall and see where it's breaking out. Still. Washed it all away. And I'm stuck here. Gonna have to go back. I'm getting covered in mud. Try to go forward. All I'm doing is bearing myself up to get unbogged. I'll turn this off.